The polls are saying it's too close to call, but you're of course very confident.
I think why they are saying that is what confuses me, but we have a long history right from my own election, which they said we were wiped out and I was losing and I won by the highest margin, going back to the last Vidhan Sabha elections where they were giving 90 seats to Amrinder and wiping us out, and we formed the government. So I know the pollsters are always wrong. You don't have to think back, DMK, Jayalalitha. I mean, you just look into it, they've always been wrong. But it's just a bit confusing that how can they be so off the mark, because we're pretty confident that we are going to form the government.
You know, many say that the worry is not really the Akali numbers. The worry will be your ally, the BJP's numbers, because last time they did phenomenally well with 19 seats. But this time round, what if they do badly? That will still affect you.
Oh, even if they do badly, they'll reduce a few seats from 19. As long as they cross the 10-seat mark, we romp home, because Akali Dal, even when they've done worst, they've always managed about 44, 45 seats when we're at our all-time low. And there is no anti-incumbency this time. There's no all-time low. So obviously we are going to do much better than 44, 45. So even if BJP brings in 10 seats, we are home. It's a comfortable margin. And also history has it that Congress, the best that they've ever done is 63 seats. They never got more than 62, 63, and 59 is the cutoff mark to form the government. So with no anti-incumbency this time, we started our campaign well in time. We've done work. We had something to say. The anti-Congress mood all over the country. Punjab is part of India, not, they had nothing to offer. I'm very confident that people are going to vote for development.
One more big change from the last election to this time is also the Manpreet Singh Badal factor, because PPP many feel is nothing more than just a branch of the Akalis, and in that sense, wouldn't that also affect your vote share?
I think PPP is a creation of the media. Yes, it was created by Manpreet Singh Badal to ensure that the Akalis don't come into power. And after that, PPP was built up by the media. But PPP, according to me, is not going to get a single seat. The fact that Manpreet is not even confident about his own seat and he's gone to another one, he's not even going to win his own seats, either of two of them, goes to show that if he cannot win the confidence of the people to win himself, where is he going to make an entire party win? He's basically piggybacking on the CPI, CPM, which has had this 2 and 3% vote bank in Punjab always. So that's one of the reasons why he aligned with them, so that now you can take credit and say, see, I took this percentage of the vote. But if you actually want to know the performance of the PPP, see what Manpreet polls, full stop.
The NDTV News app had redefined the entire genre. Now, another market beater. It's already hit #1.
NDTV Profit, India's #1 finance app. Download free at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Live stream of NDTV Profit, market news, and your easy-to-manage portfolio. Download now, ndtvprofit.com/apps.